Kaka-press mo lang ng record.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Pag ganyan. Yan. 1, 2, 3, go. What's up guys? So, today meron tayong sit down video or sit down na wait lang. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, go. What's up guys? So, it's me, Mo. Ay, bloopers. Wait, 1, 2, 3, go. What's up guys? So kung nakikita nyo, nandito kami ngayon sa loob ng sasakyan at meron tayo ngayong Car Talks! Car Talks at ang aking guest, ang bus naman ang aking little sister na si Mo.
Hi!
Guys, meron din siyang channel. Paki-convince nyo siya na i-continue niya yung kanyang pagbablog. Kasi kung bibigyan nyo ng time, panoorin niya yung mga vlog niya. Ang galing niya mag-vlog guys. Mas magaling siya sa akin. So, convince natin siya. Yes. Help me convince my little sister to start vlogging again. So, guys, so for today's video, we will do a content na ngayon ko lang gagawin, which is asking my little sister 5 questions that I'm always afraid to ask her. Not naman afraid, like nagtithink twice ako na itanong sa kanya. So, mga light lang muna yung mga question. 5 questions lang siya guys, para hindi man masyadong mahaba tong ano na to. So, ayun na guys, simulan na natin sa ating light question. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So guys, magta-Taglish ako kasi I can't speak in English na continuously. Alam niyo na, umusan tayo ng baon. So, mga ano lang kasi English ka, mga 30 minutes. So, ayan guys, mag-start na tayo after ating first question. Are you ready for my first question?
Yeah.
Okay, no peeking ha. So, first question.
Go!
First question. Okay. What is something na never mong inamin sa akin and you are still keeping it until today?
Something I'm keeping a secret from you.
Like up until today, you're keeping still. Ha? Yan yun na guys, gets yun na yun.
I always tell you everything.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I've never once like lied to you or kept anything from you.
Okay, so you don't have someone talking to you or you're
Like,
chatting with?
No.
You don't have someone special?
No.
Mind you guys, she's only 13 years old. She's turning 14 this year, so I'm just asking kasi when I was 13, I've had my crushes na, and well, before kasi hindi naman wala pa akong, may mga gadgets na ako nun, pero always lang ako nasa labas, so hindi ako nakakipag-usap sa boys. No peeking nga, right? Are you sure? That's your final answer? You never kept anything from me?
Yes.
You always tell me everything?
Yes.
Okay, guys. She's a good girl naman pala. So, question number 2. Sana naman, yung real answer, ha?
Yes.
Okay. So, when I get old and couldn't take care of myself, would you put me to a nursing home or take care of me? Why? I have a follow-up question after this. Okay.
I would take care of you because honestly right now nursing homes, they aren't really responsible over elderly people nowadays. So if you were to grow old, I will take care of you. If you don't have anyone else special to take care of you, then obviously I'll take over that role.
What if you, like, someday, this is the follow-up question, someday you'll meet, like, someone, a special man who wants to marry you, but he would ask you to, like, can you just leave your sister?
Oh no, then that
be
person
with me?
isn't meant to be. Because if he truly loves me, then he would understand that I need to take care of you. If he really truly loves me, then he would understand and let you come live with us.
Would you wash my puwet?
Sure. Sure.
Okay, third question. Is it really okay sa'yo that I like girls or that I'm a lesbian?
Yeah, it's never been a problem for me, even like when I was still a kid. I've always understood that.
Why? Why do you understand that already?
Do I need a reason to understand why love is love? If you love that
Wow.
certain person, then who am I to blame you for it?
I'm touched. You touched my heart. Oh my guys. Third question. I'm teary-eyed. Genuinely na-touch ako. Na-touch ako, guys! Talaga naluluha ako, guys. Kung nakikita nyo na, guys. Di ba? Naluluha ako. So, mag-move on tayo from that.
You're crying! You're crying!
We're gonna move on. So, so are you not nahihiya that your sisters are with girls or same gender or in a relationship with a
No.
girl? How will you explain to other people na when someone asks you why are they like that?
Well, first of all, I think it's wrong for someone to ask that in the first place. Because it's just wrong, especially in this generation. They should at least have the courtesy to understand why in this generation there are people who love the same gender. And back then, of course, it wasn't exactly normalized, but now that it is technically normalized, they should avoid asking questions like that because it could be really offensive. But if someone would ask me that question in the near future, or for example, like tomorrow,
Agad, ah.
of course, then simply I would just tell them because that's how they are. That's how they want to be. That's the person they want to be with for the rest of their lives. That's all. Yeah.
Wow. That's my sister, guys. That's why I'm always so proud of her. She's always like very understanding of other people's choices and preferences. So, yes, kung makikita nyo, di ba, sa mga friends ko or sa mga close friends, or to some people na nakakwento ko siya, I always like tell her how she amazes me. Amazes na my words. How she amazes me every day. Because that's, yeah, na-witness nyo na, guys. So, now you understand. So, now, is this the last question?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. For the last question, I think this vlog is gonna be short. Should we add more questions?
Sure. For the last question.
So, for the last question, if someday I will have to leave you and be with or go abroad or be with someone that I know I really love, or you know, of course you know I really love, or someone who really loves me, would you let me, and how would you feel about it?
Of course, I would let you because you're old. You're of age na, is what I mean. You can go and do whatever you want na, especially since you're an adult. So, what right do I have to take that right away from you? But how I would feel, I think I would feel sad because for 13 years I have been with you and I have grown really attached to you because you're my sister and you're the #1 person I go to when I need help, especially with my studies. So I think it would be really hard for me to understand, but I will try if that day comes because I'm gonna cry. I'm going to try to understand and be happy for you, because if that's the life you want to live, then that's the kind of life that you should live. And I will be really happy for you.
Bakit?
Even that day.
Umiyak ka? Good sa vlog yung umiyak tayong dalawa. Nagpipigil siya, guys. Ako bagsak na yung luha ko. So, talaga, I love you. Ayun, guys. I know that someday I will have to like start my own family. someday, and that would mean that I will have to, like, not naman live na forever na iwan sila. It's like, I know that someday I'll have to start building my own,
Start a new life.
yeah, start a new life with someone. And lagi ko yung iniisip na I always, huwag na tayo mag-English, lagi ko iniisip na kaya ko bang, especially si Mo, kaya ko bang iwan si Mo just like that. Lagi ako nahihirapan sa thought na yon, kasi syempre wino-worry ko siya, pero kasi magkasama kami syempre since birth niya, so nakikita ko siya kung paano siya lumaki at kung paano nag-i-evolve, nag-grow. Hindi lang yung katawan niya yung nag-grow, pati yung mind niya, yung pananaw niya sa buhay. At napaproud ako na ganun siya mag-isip. And ayun, syempre magiging sad din ako syempre pag kailangan ko na pero syempre minsan kasi para daw, sabi nga nila, para kung gusto mong makapunta sa next page ng life mo, dapat hindi ka matakot mag-take ng next step. Tama ba ako ba? So ayun guys, thank you baby Mo for doing this content with me, and I hope na mag-vlog ka na ulit. Guys, comment down below. Sabihin nyo sa kanya, convince her to vlog na din. So, ililink ko down below yung link ng kanyang channel, guys. So, ayun na nga, guys. Say thank you to the viewers.
Thank you for
Thank you for the 1 million views, guys. Manipas na. Thank you for the 1 million views and new subscribers. And ayun na nga, guys. Hanggang dito na lang tong vlog na to. At kung hindi ka pa naka-subscribe sa channel ko, may mga susunod pa akong content. Next ko na isi-sit down interview ay si Mami. Ganto ding setup. Mga question din na takot akong itanong sa kanya. 5 question lang din yon. And then after nun, siya naman yung magtatanong sa akin ng 5 question na takot siyang itanong sa akin. Takot niyang itanong sa akin. So guys, ayun na nga. Comment, like, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And you can also click the bell button so you'll be updated whenever I have a new upload. And ang kagaya ng palagi kong sinasabi,
Oh, I thought it was Love Your Beautiful Flower.
okay, say it. Like what I always tell you guys,
Love your fabulous self.
bye-bye!
Bye.
Bye! Wait. Ay, hindi na stop. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.